Here, we have a device that aims to simplify and expedite common kitchen tasks. Cutting herbs, often tedious and occasionally leading to minor injuries, becomes effortless with ORI-KIT, a compact device designed by the American company Urban Trend. Thanks to its unique design and 3 blades, it can swiftly cut any herbs within seconds, keeping your fingers completely safe. This convenient tool is available for $20. The Rotimatic stands as the world's first robot, capable of baking traditional unleavened Indian bread, known as roti. The process involves mixing water, flour, spices, and oil in precise proportions with the dough, then flattened and placed into the oven, reaching a specific temperature. Despite the initial peculiarity of automating this process, the Rotimatic is a truly unique device, capable of flawlessly baking roti bread with minimal human intervention at a speed of 1 roti per minute. Significantly faster than manual preparation. This kitchen innovation incorporates 10 motors, 15 sensors, and 300 parts. Priced at $1,000 worldwide. Food poisoning is a significant global concern, affecting around 600 million individuals yearly, resulting in 420,000 fatalities. Maintaining top-tier kitchen hygiene is vital. The MAGICBLOCK, initially appearing as a cutlery holder, is actually an innovative sterilizer. With UV technology, it eradicates viruses, bacteria, and molds, heightening cleanliness and safety. This kitchen device, priced at $170, also functions as a cutlery dryer and knife sharpener. A team of Turkish designers has introduced the ORI-KIT, a distinctive set of cooking utensils renowned as the world's first origami-inspired tool set. These utensils, initially flat polygonal sheets made from flexible material, fold into their original shapes during use. The ORI-KIT comprises 4 silicone and Teflon utensils, funnel, spatula, measuring spoons, and mini colander, resilient to temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius, ensuring safety during high-temperature cooking. Notably, their flat design significantly saves kitchen space, and their unique structure aids in economical consumption by facilitating the removal of leftover food. This tool set is available for purchase at $32. Eggs, a kitchen essential, often pose a challenge when it comes to cracking them open. Easy Cracker offers a seamless solution by neatly splitting the eggshell in the middle, preventing messy spills on tables or stovetops. This device facilitates clean egg breaking directly into a chosen container, ensuring no shell fragments contaminate the food. Priced at $20, Easy Cracker's compact design make it user-friendly nature, and easy-to-clean features make it an ideal and convenient addition to any kitchen. This multifunctional kitchen device prepares multiple high-quality dishes simultaneously, employing the sous-vide technique, maintaining the maximum nutrients in food. Operating without human presence, it uses vacuum-sealed bags to cook ingredients, placed in specific compartments, controlling settings via an integrated panel or a mobile app. With independent analysis of preparation times, the SUVIE robotic device ensures precise calculations for perfect and timely cooking, offering flexibility in meal options and customization. It conserves up to 6 hours weekly, simplifying cleaning with disposable containers or dishwasher, safe stainless steel ones. Priced at $650, it offers 10,000 recipes and can cook dinner for a family of 4. At first glance, cutting boards might seem ordinary, but have you considered the challenge of slicing certain items on a flat surface? SliceX, invented by Danville Trauma, addresses this concern. It's designed to effortlessly and safely cut grapes, cherry tomatoes, mozzarella, nuts, and various berries with precision and speed. The device, easily disassembled for compact storage, allows simultaneous cutting of multiple items. Comprising a series of connected plastic plates, SliceX is dishwasher safe and promises the same strength, and durability as traditional chopping boards due to its material choice. This remarkable board is priced at $43. The VEGIDAIR is a compact kitchen garden, suitable for cabinets with a 60-centimeter depth, accommodating up to 16 plants concurrently, meeting family needs for leafy vegetables, herbs, and select fruits or mini vegetables like cherry tomatoes. Its basic seed set includes 9 plants, expandable with additional crops. As an open system, it encourages experimentation. The device ensures freshness, preserving nutrients in harvested plants, making them table-ready regardless of the season. Priced at $230, this kitchen garden promises fresh produce year-round. Sous-vide, a cooking method originating in 1970s restaurants, involves vacuum sealing meats or vegetables and cooking them in a precisely controlled water bath, preserving natural juices and preventing burning commonly seen in traditional cooking. Previously accessible primarily to upscale eateries, today, devices like the NOMIKU offer this technique at home for $250. Easy to operate via a connected app, it ensures convenience by allowing remote cooking, maintaining food freshness for later consumption. Notably, NOMIKU's temperature control also permits cold racing applications besides cooking. The TRIVAE multifunctional stand caters to cooks valuing kitchen efficiency and space management. Functioning as a support for plates or flat items, its flexible design allows versatile adjustments based on user needs. Whether it's supporting washed dishes, hot lids or pans, cutting boards, or plates of varying sizes, the TRIVAE effortlessly adapts. It serves as a convenient platform for dishes right off the heat or freshly boiled teapots. Easy to reposition with simple movements, it comes in 4 colors and is available for $40 on the manufacturer's website. This innovative gadget facilitates unique culinary creations to impress friends. The core is a peculiar cutting device designed to extract cores from various vegetables and root vegetables. It comes with 3 blades of 20, 30, and 40 millimeters in diameter, suitable for different produce, smaller blades for radishes, carrots, and tomatoes, a medium-sized one for cucumbers, zucchinis, and onions, and the largest for potatoes or sweet potatoes. Additionally, the cutting knives are stored within the device to prevent misplacement. This product is priced at $13. Professional chefs consider the thermometer a crucial tool in modern cuisine. Its application extends beyond cooking meat and fish. It's also vital for sauces, desserts, pastry, bread, and various other culinary preparations. The Grand Chef, a manual coffee grinder from the Czech company TESCOMA, offers unique features despite requiring manual handle operation. Instead of grams, it measures quantities in cups, simplifying usage for coffee aficionados. With 6 grinding settings, it caters to various brewing methods like coffee and espresso makers, French presses, and pour-over setups. Priced at $40, it provides versatility and ease in coffee preparation. Today's final gadget is perfect for passionate pasta enthusiasts. While crafting pasta at home can be time-consuming, this device simplifies the process significantly. This machine serves dual functions, effortlessly rolling out dough to the desired thickness with just a handle turn and preparing pasta. It operates in various modes, creating different pasta types like lasagna sheets or attachments for crafting fettuccine, tagliolini, or soup noodles. With a price tag of around $55, this pasta maker offers ease and versatility in homemade pasta creation.